Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make black soup. You guys, this soup is indigenous to the Benin people of Edo State. It is highly nutritious and very delicious. You don't even want to miss this recipe. So let's get straight into making black soup. What you would need for making black soup would be leaves. Okay, these are highly medicinal leaves that you can find in Nigerian markets. Now for this particular soup, just like my grandmother used to make, I'm going to be using the uziza leaf, the utazi leaf, and then the scent leaves. These leaves you can get in regular Nigerian markets. Just get to the market, get to the vegetable sellers and tell them you want utazi, uziza, and scent leaves. Okay, and they will give you these leaves. So usually the uziza and the utazi come in like a rope form like this. They tie them together because it's like in a rope, and then they just sell it to you like in small bunch. So just buy as much as you want to. Usually I buy just two bunch each, and that is enough for me and my family. You go ahead and just pluck the leaves off the rope like stem, and then the next thing will be to wash these leaves, because these things actually grow on the ground or around trees, and as such they tend to have a lot of sand and dirt in them. So you want to wash it very clean under running water to get rid of any dirt, insects, or even sand before you go ahead to blend the leaves. Okay, black soup is made with blended leaves. It is actually not black, it is greenish in color, but it is called black soup. You guys, making this soup is bringing so much memories to me, because as a child this was a staple food in our home, a staple soup that you make at least once or even twice in a week. And my mom would select different vegetables, different leaves, as she knows them, like which one is more medicinal than the other and all of that, and just make us eat this soup and basically take care of our tummy. So what you would need to blend these leaves with would be some onions and then some hot pepper. Put as much pepper as you can tolerate. We're just going to blend this with some water till it is smooth and looks like this. It's going to come out looking like a greenish liquid like this. Okay, this is what it looks like after blending with water, and this is what we're going to be using to make our soup. So to make our soup, you need a base, which is the palm fruit base, the same base you use in making banga soup. This particular liquid I just poured in here now is the palm nut puree. People usually use like palm oils and the rest, but to get the authentic black soup like the grandma's own in the village, you have to go through this process. So once you've turned in the puree into your pot, go ahead and add in your meat, your fish, your stockfish, whatever it is that you're going to be using to make your soup. Just go ahead and add it into that puree. And to that, we're going to add some ground crayfish. Crayfish is essential to Nigerian cooking, Nigerian soups especially. So we're going to season that with some salt and of course some seasoning cube and bring it to a boil. Stir to make sure everything combines, and then we're going to just allow this to boil for a few minutes. If you're watching my video for the first time or you came across my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. So now that this has been boiling for quite some time, about 10 minutes, as you can see, I'm just going to taste it to make sure that everything tastes right, and then I'm going to add in the leaves that we blended earlier. You can see that liquid. I'm just going to pour that into it and then allow this thing to cook. You guys, the aroma that fills your kitchen when this thing is cooking is so amazing. Black soup is indigenous to the Benin people of Edo State, and it is so delicious, usually served with pounded yam, but these days I get to eat it with semo, amala, whatever swallow that I actually fancy. So you're just going to allow this to cook till it begins to thicken and the palm oil begins to float on top. As you can see oil floating on top. This is after like 30 minutes or so, and you can see that the soup is thickened. This is exactly how you want your black soup to be, so that you can serve it and eat it. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make black soup. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.